Hello everyone, good day. I hope you're all doing great. I'm here with you for the daily Ethereum analysis on February 16th. We're on the first trading day of this week. Last week, Ethereum's price closed with a bearish candle, dropping by more than 5.5%. This comes as we've seen strong bearish candles over the past 4 weeks, and this price drop ended after finding support at the $1,747 level. We're looking at the daily time frame. The overall trend visible in this time frame, with lower highs and lower lows being recorded, is a downward trend. Currently, the price is below the daily order block and its imbalance zones, and in response to the order block and liquidity areas, we've witnessed a price drop. However, we can see that over the past week, the price has been fluctuating within a specific range and hasn't chosen a clear direction for its movement. We are currently observing liquidity flowing into Ethereum ETF funds. As we can see in recent weeks, there has been an outflow of liquidity from these funds. Each of the candlesticks shows the liquidity flow on a weekly basis, and we can observe that, on average, over the past 4 months, there has been a negative liquidity flow. Alongside this, we have also seen a continuous decline in the price of Ethereum. Now, we are on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the prevailing trend is a bearish and weak one. As long as the price hasn't managed to stabilize above the 4-hour order block. In the latest downward move, the price reached the 4-hour order block and reacted to the price of $1,750. However, this rejection wasn't able to cause a change in the trend structure. And as we mentioned, over the past week, the price has been fluctuating within a specific range, during which it collected its internal liquidity. Now, some investors believe that the price is in a good position for re-entry and investing in Ethereum. But we should keep in mind that we have not yet seen any signs of the end of the downtrend or the beginning of an uptrend. These signs could later include a market structure shift or a change in the price delivery trend. We are currently analyzing Ethereum's liquidity map. The highest sell-side liquidity levels can be noted at $1,923 below the previous low and at $1,892. Internal liquidity has formed in the FPG area, with the highest concentration at $2,028. And for buy-side liquidity, we can also consider the previous peak highs. In the last analysis we did for Ethereum on Wednesday of last week, it was predicted that the price would fill the 1-hour FPG up to the $1,997 area and then experience a downward move. As you can see, the price did rise to this area and then started a downward movement toward its previous low. Following this move, we saw an upward movement to the 1-hour FPG area, and after liquidity was collected at this FPG up to the price of $2,103, the price began its downward movement. Now, as a bearish setup, we can consider that if pin bar and shooting star candles are able to sweep into this FPG, collect the liquidity inside it, and then we see signs of weakness in the continuation of the upward move. We can enter a sell trade after the third pin bar candle closes. We place the stop loss above the FPG, and for the short term, we can target the liquidity below the previous lows. Also, for a bullish setup, we first need the liquidity below to be collected, and then the price should move towards the buy-side liquidity. So, moving forward, the most important factor in our decision-making is the collection of liquidity from either side. Wishing you success and profitable trades.